everybody, Christina here with La La Land Crafts. I have this beautiful gold envelope that I got in the mail the other day. Got so excited, I just cut the thing open. Didn't even try to remove the flap. I just wanted what was inside. So those of you who are not members of the La La Land Crafts, every month you will get this beautiful gold envelope in the mail with yummy goodies. So this month the theme is ice cream. Just gonna pull all of this out. This month we have, you get this sheet every month, but this month we have the cute little Marci with Ice Cream, and she has two sentiments. Ice cream is always a good idea and you deserve a treat. And then we have these cute little unicorns, which are adorable. They come with You Make Life Sweet, What's the Scoop, and Pretty Please with sprinkles on top. And the name of this stamp set is called What the Scoop. Then we have some die cuts down here. You Are Sweet, the ice cream die cuts. All of this comes together. It's insane. It's so cute. So I'm going to set that off to the side for now. Now the stamps are the wonderful red rubber stamps. And this is the Marci with her ice cream cone, her cute little dress. I love her little Ugg boots. I don't know if they're supposed to be Uggs. I just call them Uggs because that's how I color them. And then she has a little headband and she's sporting some cute little wavy hair going on. And then here are, I went ahead and just did these right fast. This is Ice Cream is Always a Good Idea. And then you've got this one here, which is You Deserve a Treat, which I love the font and everything. If you have not had a La La Land Crafts stamp before, these are very deeply etched red rubber. They're wonderful. You can just cut the sentiments off if you want with some scissors, or you can just stamp the whole thing down at once, but it's the cling foam. You can either put the paper back on and save it just like that, or they will stick to this thank you card that comes in the mail with it. So they will actually stick right on here. So the other stamp set is What's the Scoop? You've got the cute little unicorn just standing there, or you've got one. Now I've seen some of the team members color this as an ice cream bowl, which is what I did, or you can color it as a cupcake maybe. So, and then this one has a little 2-scooper ice cream cone that it's holding. And then here's the phrases. We have Please, Pretty Please with sprinkles on top. We have What's the Scoop? And we have You Make Life Sweet. So those are all really super cute little sentiments to go with it. These are, the unicorns are the same as Marci with the deep etched rubber, which you can kind of see there. And then again with the cling foam and the paper, which you can either stick to this or just put the paper back on. So those are the stamp sets that come in this month's kit. Then we have the dies. Mine are already cut apart because I've been using them, obviously, to make my projects. But now since they're all cut apart, I can show you everything that comes in. So this here is the You Are Sweet die cut. And this right here, there's part of this that comes out to where you can have hollow letters, or you can put like a different piece of paper in the background. It's really cute. Here we have the ice cream dish. And the ice cream dish, this right here, is actually a slit in the ice cream dish so that you can tuck the banana or the ice cream or whatever you want down, so you can see the bowl from behind and the bowl from in front, even with the banana or whatever in the dish. Then we have a banana, and we have our ice cream scoop, and this cute little cherry. and the ice cream waffle cone, which was a lot of fun to color. And then we have a spoon. And this right here is a little tiny cookie. So you can either make it a chocolate chip cookie or a sprinkle cookie or something like that. But it's really cute and a lot of fun. So those are our die cuts. And then here are our stamps. Right here we've got Marci, and we've got What the Scoop and Marci with Ice Cream. Now these, for the whole entire kit, if you're a member, it's $39.99. So, but if you bought this like one piece at a time, then it would be $69.99 full price. But club members get a huge discount. So if you decide you only wanted the stamps, then the stamps only would be $19.99 as a club member and $24.99 if you're not a club member, and you can't even get them for the first year that club has them. So these won't even be out in the regular store until a year from now. So members get them a year ahead, and then they're in the online in the regular store online a year later. So then we have the die cuts. Now if you decide you don't want the stamps and you just want the die cuts are $29.99 a month as a member, as a club member, or they're $45.99 on the regular site. And again, these will not be on the regular site until a year later. So you would have to wait until the club has had them for a year, and then they will be released into the regular store. But again, if you do $19.99 plus $29.99, that's way more than just getting it all at once. So it is a monthly subscription. The subscription again is $39.99. Along with that subscription, you also get exclusive project tutorials from the design team. And members, if you are a member, please, 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 the team actually makes you tutorials on things that we've made for you, step-by-step tutorials. And you can get the link to those tutorials right here on the card that you receive that looks like this. So please don't ignore this card. It's super cute because Irina has colored it and done a lot of hard work putting it together, but you've got the link right here to your awesome tutorials, okay? So don't forget right there. So this is everything that you get. I'm going to set this all aside, and I am going to show you my first two projects that I made. So I made this one. It has Marci with an ice cream, and I don't know if you can see that, but I did little flowers on her shirt and then some little polka dots and her little Ugg boots. I love the boots. So, and I did little polka dots on her headband bow. I used the long flags die to cut this part out. And then right here you can see how the letters pop out real nice. And then we've got the cherry. I've got my ice cream scoops, my banana, and then I don't know if you can see maybe right there how the banana goes into the treat bowl or into the ice cream dish, whatever you want to call it. So, and then I also used the scalloped rectangles for here and the Just For You background. You can't see it too much, but it is there. And that's that card. I had a lot of fun. This card was fun because I used the What's the Scoop, and I used all three unicorns, and then I've got this little unicorn peeking out with the spoon. And I just used some silver paint on some just white cardstock and then let it dry and cut the spoon out so it looks like he's eating it. And then I've got my ice cream, and he's got a little waffle bowl that I designed for him. And then what's the scoop? Ice cream's always a good idea. Here's the Just For You background. And the scalloped rectangles, the scalloped ovals. And then this little guy, he's so cute. And I actually colored these so that they were all kind of the same. I decided that was lemon ice cream. But I wanted them all to kind of match. And that's how I do my cards. Most of the time, if I'm making more than one, I will try and make them kind of match and coordinate a little bit. This ice cream does not match anything, but my favorite ice cream is blueberry. So that's where the purple comes from. Sorry guys, it doesn't match. So, but that's my two projects, and I showed you the stamp sets, and I hope you enjoyed everything. And I will see you next time. I will have some videos on how I colored Marci for those of you who would like to know how I colored the wavy hair. And that's about it. I will see you guys next time. I'm so excited to get started on my second two cards. See you guys next time. Bye now. Oh hey, I almost forgot. If you want your club to start out with this for your very first subscription, get signed up by March 25th so you can get this kit. Otherwise, as a member, you can still get it later before it comes out to the regular store and is released. So, remember, March 25th, get signed up. I'll see you guys soon. This time for real. Bye now.